Good afternoon, boys and girls. Happy day to you, whatever day this is. Maybe it's Tuesday, maybe it's not, and that's okay. All right, we are here for lesson 7. All right, before we get started and grab our materials, we're going to do what we always do before we start our lesson. We're going to do some flashcards. There's my doggy. Hey, Ace, lay down. All right, here we go. You know the drill. I'm going to show you the card. You have 4 seconds. Please be as quick as you can. All right, here we go. 9, 10, 9, good. 20, great. 11, good. Fast, fast. 5, great. 8, good. Get those brains going. 4, 2 plus 2. A few more. 9, 7, great. 6, good. 12, 3, going quick. 11, 13, last one. Everyone, 2. Good job. All right, it is time for math. Again, this is lesson 7. The materials that you're going to need for this, you're going to need lesson 7 pages from your packet, okay? So 2 pages. The first page is going to be this, Break It Down Bethany. Break It Down Bethany page that we have for you in the packet. And then a page like this, okay? It says lesson 7 on the top. And you're going to need a pencil. So lesson 7 pages from packet, there are 2 pages. This one and a practice page. And then you need a pencil. All right, so please press pause, make sure you get your materials, and come right on back. Thank you. Okay, boys and girls, thank you so much for getting the materials that you need. It's very important to be ready, to be prepared to be a learner. Sit up tall, take some deep breaths. Let's go. All right, I'm going to erase this. We're going to talk about Bethany. So, Bethany here, I'm going to move Bethany closer to you so we can talk about it. Break it down, Bethany. Break it down, Bethany. She breaks down her numbers into expanded form, which, boys and girls, you guys are all so great at, okay? So expanded form, then from there, I subtract my hundreds, my tens, and my ones, okay? Here is an example. Take a moment and look. Great. So we've taken this 287, we've broken it down into expanded form, the hundreds, the tens, and my ones. We've taken 135 and broken it down here, 130 and 5. And then we subtract our hundreds. If I have 200s, I take away 100, I am left with 100. 80 and 30, subtract, I get 50. 7 and 5, subtract, I get 2. And then I add what's left. Add all the place values together. And I get 152. All right, are we ready to rock and roll? And again, boys and girls, like I said before, this is just showing you one way, another strategy that might work best for you. We're showing you multiple ways to do these large number subtraction problems, okay? So I'm going to start and I'm going to show you some examples and then I'm going to give you a chance to work on your own, all right? So we're going to do no regrouping here. We want you to practice this strategy in a simple way. So there's no borrowing and carrying and regrouping. All right. So break it down, Bethany. She's going to be right here as a reminder. The first problem I'm going to show you is 276 minus 165. I'm going to set up my problem just like you're going to see on yours, okay? So I'm going to show you how to set it up. It's already going to be set up for you. I'm just going to copy what's on this sheet so you can kind of get that pattern. All right. I'm going to have a number here, a number here, a number here. Sorry, Bethany. This is actually going to be here. Number there, number there, number there. Okay. This is my hundreds, this is my tens, this is my ones. I'm going to start with my first number, 276. If you say the number out loud, you can actually hear the values. 200. 270 and 6, right? And then I have 160 and 5. All right. Now I'm going to subtract. If I have 200 minus 100, I have 100 left. 70 minus 60, I'm left with 10. I have an addition symbol here because I'm going to add what's left. Okay? 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5. 1. Oh, let's see here. I have 100, 110, 1. Whoa, my answer is 111. 111, okay? I'm going to, if you need to stop and go back a little bit to watch this process again, great, fine. If you want to see this process again with different numbers, keep watching. The nice thing about this again, like I tell you every time, is that you can pause and go back if you need to at any point. I want to make sure that you really understand this process, okay? All right, so let's erase. Let's change my color up. All right, we're going to do 392 minus 258. Okay? Actually, no, 251, I'm sorry. 251. So I have boop, boop, boop. And this is all, oops, this is all subtracting. And then I have, okay? So I have expanded form, right? 390 and 2. So expanded form for this first number. You have to go in that order. 251. I'm saying it out loud because I can hear the value. 250 and 1. Okay, here we go. Break it down. Bethany's working well for us. 300s minus 200s. Whoop. 100, right? 9 tens minus 5 tens. I'm left with 4 tens, which is 40. 2 minus 1, you're right, 1. So now I'm going to add them together. How many hundreds do I have? 1. There we go. I have 4 tens. I have 1. So 141. Okay? I'm going to do one more for you. I feel like I'm going a little quick and I don't mean to. Okay, I'm going to erase. And I want you to participate a little bit in this. Even though you do not, this is not live, I still want you to kind of talk through this with me as if we were in class, okay? Let's go with 243. Let's do 248 minus 132, okay? So it's set up for you already. So let's do, I've told you boys and girls many times that math works really well if you're organized. Being organized really helps us in math. So this is helping me organize. Okay? Okay, here we go. So I have, ooh, hey, shh, you're fine. 248. Let my dog out, sorry. Go ahead. Go ahead. Okay, sorry, boys and girls. Okay. 200. Oops. Okay, 248. Okay. 100. How many tens? Good, so that's 30. How many ones? Good. Okay, now I'm going to subtract. 200, start at the left. 200 minus 100, 100. If I have 4 tens, then I'm taking away 3 tens. So 40 minus 30, I'm left with 110. 8 ones minus 2 ones, I'm left with 6. Okay, and I'm going to add those together. 116. Okay, thank you. Sorry for my distraction here with my dog. You would think my children would distract me during a lesson, but no, it's my dog. All right, my guard dog. All right, I'm going to erase. I'm going to have you take out your page. So that lesson 7 page that looks like this, okay? And I'm going to have you change one thing on it because I don't want you to work with regrouping. So on the second problem that says 552 minus 227. So it's the second one down, I want you to change it to 558. So you can make it into an 8 if you want to, or you can cross it out and put an 8, okay? There are answers here. The answers really don't matter to this work right now. The answers do matter, but it's wanting you to check. But I don't want you to worry about it. So just go ahead and fold it over, okay? So here's my paper. Here are the answers folded over, so you just have the 3 problems, okay? So get those 2 things done. I'm going to erase this. We're going to go through. Actually, I'm going to give you time to work on this yourself. So the first one is 148 minus 126. Expanded form, both numbers, okay? You're going to fill in all the spots like we just did. And then you're going to add together your answer, okay? So go ahead, work on these 3 problems, and then come back here. So you're going to press pause, and then come on back here, and we'll check our work together, okay? Ready, go. All right, boys and girls, here we go. This is going to be problem number 1 on your page, all right? So 148 minus 126. So just like your page shows, okay, minus, Expanded form is one of my most favorite things to teach second graders. I think it's a really big skill, but it's kind of fun to break apart the numbers and think about them in a different way. It really gives us an idea of what is in the number. 148, right? This is what I used to do in class when we were just learning this, right? 148. 126. Now I'm subtracting. 100 minus 100, nothing. 40 minus, so that's 0, right? No value. 40 minus 20, 8. Whoa, sorry, that's a really terrible 8. 8 minus 6, good, 2. Your answer is 22. So that's the answer to problem number 1. Bethany's working out well for us, I think, boys and girls. All right, number 1, if it's wrong, please go ahead and check it and fix wherever you went wrong. Problem number 2, again, we did not use the problem that was on here. We had to change that first number, so we're looking at 558 minus 227. Big numbers, right? Okay. 558, 227, 500s minus 200s is 300s. 50 minus 20, 30. 8 minus 7, 1. So I have 331. Okay, 331. Again, fix your answer. If something is wrong, go back and try it again. Right, the third problem on the page here, the last one, is 335 minus 124. Okay, 300 30, 5, 100, 20. What goes here? 4. Good. All right, start on the left. 300s minus 100, 200. 30 minus 20, 10. 5 minus 4, 1. Add them all together. So I have 200s. I have 110. I have 1. 211. All right. I feel like Bethany, this skill, this strategy here, break it down, Bethany. I feel like it goes a little quicker than the number line, and we can kind of visually see it a little better. But again, it really is your preference, okay? And the idea is that we're giving you a few strategies, not too many, but a few strategies that that you can choose from, all right? The next lesson that's coming up next, lesson 8, is going to be your choice in really choosing what strategy works best for you, okay? We're going to bring it all together. All right, boys and girls, this video was short and sweet. Thank you so much for being here today with me. Again, rewind at any point after you finish these 3 problems. If you feel like you want some more, ask mom or dad or someone around you to make you more problems, but just make sure that we're not doing any regrouping, any borrowing, okay? All right, boys and girls, have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye.